Hello everyone, in this video I will learn you how to make links. Alright, we have two types of links before we get started with the lecture. Alright, so we have absolute links and we have relative links. Alright, so we have absolute links and we have relative links. Alright, and it's easy. First of all, let's start with the absolute links. When you go to a website, sometimes they ask you to go to another website from their website. So they say, for example, go to Google. If you clicked on go to Google, it will take you to Google. Alright, how we do that? It's so incredibly easy. First of all, let's make a paragraph saying click below. Alright, I'm gonna spell that. Click below to go to Google. Alright, so now I will make a link. Alright, I will make it, for example, A. So to make a link, you need to put this tag called A tag. Alright, and this thing is what you are going to click. Alright, so if you typed anything here, so this is the thing that you are going to click to go Google. Alright, but we have to add something called the href. Alright, so this is how we do it. Href, as you go to see href. Alright, so this is where website will be inside. So if you want to Google, you have to put google.com. Right, now if I put just only google.com, and now I just go say Google, now if I clicked on that, there will be a problem. They will say cannot get Google. Why is that? You have to add HTTP. Alright, so if I just go to Google, right, of this one, if I copy this and I paste it over there, alright, let me just delete this one and put that over there. Right, now if I clicked on that, it will take me to Google. Alright, so let me just return back. The problem is that if I clicked on this, it will take me to another page and the live preview will be cancelled. Alright, so now if I just type another thing like Google, it will not change. Did you remember we have a live preview? Why? Because it took me to another tab, so it did a lot of problem. Alright, so let me just close it and open it again. Alright, now if I change that to Google, yeah, it changed. Alright, so that is the live preview. Right, now what if I want to click this and it will take me to another tab? It's easy. There is another attribute you have to add called target. Alright, so what we did, basically we add this attribute and it has underscore blank, where it does basically says if you targeted this thing or you clicked on this thing, take you to a new blank tab that will open Google. Alright, so if I clicked on this one, it will take me to Google without me missing this page and the live preview. Did you get the point? What if I want to make a relative link? And what are relative links? Alright, now if you have multiple pages in your website, you need relative links that will take you to other pages in your website. Alright, now let me just make this. I have this file called html.html code. I don't know, html code.html. So this is the place of our, alright, let me just make a link. I will call it, for example, I will not put anything for now. I will say next page. Alright, now other websites will say this. If you clicked on this, it will take you to another HTML document or HTML page you have in your folder in your website. So I will make another document. I will call it HTML code, or actually I will call it page2.html. Don't you forget the .html. Now I have this. Let me just copy this code so we don't have to type it. Now let me just make a nice style. Right, I will say h1 Frank J website. Right, now I will make a paragraph. I will say, for example, this website belongs to Frank Jeff now. Alright, now if I go to this place and put over here this place, So if I clicked on this thing, it will take me to this page. What we will do, we will not copy this, alright, because this is not a website or something. We will go over here and put a slash, alright, slash, and you will find page 2 over here. You know why? Because we make another document on the same folder called page 2. Did you remember that? We just did it now. Alright, now let me just put another slash, and I will say page2.html. Now, if I save that, alright, and I clicked on this one, I actually want it to be in another tab, right? So I will say target equal codes underscore blank. Now if I clicked on this one, it will take me to the page that I made, but in another tab. Did you see how awesome links are? See you in the next lecture.